what else is happening in the market? Let's try and decode all of that with Shilpa Rao, the derivatives lead analyst at Prabhudas Leeladhar, joining us on the show. Shilpa, hi. What's your take with respect to the market as a whole? While Bank Nifty is a bit sluggish, Nifty is holding on to decent gains.
Good afternoon. Rightly said, Nifty is looking quite bullish as compared to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is in a very tight range in between 44,000 to 44,500. Only a decisive breakout on either side of the range, we will see, short covering or maybe a breakdown, whatever side, of more than 1,000 points rally can happen only after we decisively breach out of this range. Nifty, yes, holding very strong 18,500 and 18,550 zones. They have very robust strength, a lot of put writing happening at 18,500. So, which means that, on short term basis, we have an immediate support there, and Nifty likely heading towards 18,800 and above.
Okay, so that's a take coming in at the index level. But a word on the entire FMCG space, Shilpa, quite active today. Would you still recommend a buy on the likes of Britannia, Nestle, HUL after the run-up we are seeing today?
Definitely, FMCG as a whole have moved very, aggressively on the upside. Be it Britannia, be it Tata Consumers or Dabur or Marico, they still have a lot of upside. Britannia, one can look at targets of 5,000 from here. Of course, one should be prepared to buy on tranches towards support zones of 4,600 as well. Tata Consumer also has given a strong breakout now. Now above 800, one can expect targets of 845 to 860 zones from here.
Okay, so those are the top recommendations coming in from the entire FMCG pack. But what about the other sectors? What are you spotting as a good trade?
I have two buys. One would be in Power Grid. Power Grid futures trading at around 240 odd zones now. It has a very strong support zone at around 237, 238 zones. So that would be the stop loss, and look for targets till 251 on immediate basis. The other one would be a buy in Syngene. Syngene is also futures trading at around 738. Strong support zones built up at 720 zones. Put writing is very aggressive there. So that would be the stop loss, and look for targets of 780 to 800 zones.
And before I let you go, wanted to ask you about a couple of other buzzers as well. Suzlon, for instance, is higher by 16%. Of course, that stock tends to be quite volatile if you have a view on that. And the other one is TeamLease. There's a positive note coming in this morning, but the stock had seen quite a bit of drubbing earlier. Do you think a bottom is in place for TeamLease?
I'm sorry, I will not be able to make a comment out there because I only have the derivatives.
No worries. Thank you so much, Shilpa, for joining us and talking to us about what you are making as the top recommendations at this point of time.